Imagine this. You're insulted, criticized, or disrespected in public. Your first reaction: anger, frustration, maybe even the urge to strike back. But here's the twist. What if you could become untouchable? What if no insult, no words, and no actions could ever disturb your peace again? Sounds impossible. The Stoics proved it's not. And today I'll show you exactly how you can do it too. Stay until the end, because the last principle I'll share is the one that even Marcus Aurelius used every single day to stay calm under pressure. 1. Reframe insults, the power of perception. Seneca once wrote, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Think about it. Insults only hurt because we allowed them to. The next time someone mocks you, pause and ask yourself, is this really about me or about them? Most of the time, their negativity is a reflection of their own weakness, not your worth. Here's your mantra. This is their problem, not mine. Say it silently, and watch how quickly the anger fades. 2. Control what you can. Ignore what you can't. Epictetus, a former slave turned philosopher, taught one of the most life-changing lessons. Some things are within your control, some are not. People's opinions, not in your control. Their actions, not in your control. But your response, always in your control. When you fully understand this, you stop wasting energy on battles that don't matter. So the next time someone provokes you, ask, is this under my control? If not, let it go instantly. Quick question. Do you usually fight back when insulted, or do you stay silent? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious how you handle it. 3. Practice negative visualization. This one is unusual but powerful. The Stoics believed in preparing for the worst before it happened. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily, "Today, I will meet selfish, arrogant, and rude people, but they cannot disturb my peace." Why? Because when you expect negativity, you strip it of its power. Each morning, take just 30 seconds to remind yourself, yes, I will face rudeness today, but I will not give it power over me. That's mental armor. 4. Respond with indifference. Here's the secret weapon: indifference. Nothing frustrates an angry person more than someone who refuses to react. Think of anger like fire. Without oxygen, it dies. Your calm silence suffocates their negativity. So the next time someone tries to provoke you, don't take the bait. Smile, walk away. Watch how powerless they suddenly become. 5. Strengthen your mind through daily discipline. Stoicism isn't just theory, it's training. If you want to be unshakable, practice daily. Journal your thoughts. Meditate. Reflect every night. Write down when you felt anger rise and how you could have responded better. The more you train your mind, the harder it becomes for anyone to control you. This is exactly how the Stoics built inner strength. Not in one day, but through disciplined practice. The truth is simple. No one has power over you unless you give it to them. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 7 days, whenever someone tries to provoke you, respond with complete calmness. Observe how they react, and notice how much stronger you feel. Share your experience in the comments. I'll be reading. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Together, let's keep building the Stoic mindset, one principle at a time. See you in the next video.